Yeah. So we have done till this in yesterday's class. I asked you to, I asked you to note down this excitation table because this will require for solving the problem. So we have prepared this state transition diagram by both Moore and Mealy law. We detected the bit that for a bit detection of 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now next, what we need to do, we have to go for the state synthesis table that we need to form. So for this state synthesis table, first we have to find state assignment. So what I told you, for if you're taking the Moore, you need 4 different states, but if you're taking Mealy, only 3 states are required. So how you need to give the state? For this, you need 2 different flip-flop. Okay. We allocate each state a binary combination of memory values. For the given problem, both Moore and Mealy model require minimum 2 flip-flop to define their states. Okay, so that let's say this flip-flop is flip-flop A and flip-flop B. Okay, because we have 4 total. So why we need 2 different flip-flop? We need at least 3 combination. At least 3 combination we need. So that's why at least we require 2 flip-flop, 2 to the power 2. Okay. So for example, we are giving the state assignment as state A. Suppose binary value assignment is equal to 0, 0. For B it is 0, 1. For C it is 1, 0. For D it is 1, 1. Fine. Are you getting me? So this is suppose state assignment value for state A, B, C and D. Here capital B and capital A defined either one of the flip-flop A and B. Okay. So it is not compulsory to give state A, B, C, D this fixed assignment value 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You may change the value also. You can either take 1, 1 first and 0, 0 last. It's up to you. So there is no fixed criteria for state assignment. This value may differ. Order may differ. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this order may change. And if you want to find the best logic diagram for the particular state assignment value, so that you have to go for search and trial method. But the main thing is that most of the time when you are going for the state assignment, we are taking the values like this only in an order 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. But if you're taking the last value first or mean value first, it will not have any problem. The solution will be correct only. Okay, but this is the specific rule. Okay, so this way you have to give the state assignment. Now, if just be careful when you're going for the Moore, you need 4 different state assignment, and if you're taking Mealy, only 3 is enough. So we have to draw the state synthesis table. How we are drawing the state synthesis table? Let's see. So how many entries will be there? By Moore law, first I'm drawing. First will be the present state, present input, next state, output, and this JB, KB, that is flip-flop B. We are taking JK flip-flop here. Okay, because I told you in JK flip-flop, number of don't care conditions are more. Fine. Then JAKA, A flip-flop for different state. So how it is moving from here to there, just see. See the entries very carefully, okay? When present state 0, 0. 0, 0 means what? State A. Okay. When it is in state A and input is 0. When it is in state A and input is 0. We go for wait, huh? It's copy this here, so it will be easy to explain you. Just for explanation, I have taken her. Yeah. Just see when, is this visible to you, students? Students, is this visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it is in state A, that is 0, 0. And when input is 0, it is coming to the same state A, that is 0, 0. And output is 0. Okay. Then again, when it is in state A, that is 0, 0, we have given the state sign A is equal to 0, 0. So that is 0, 0. And present input is 1. If it is 1, then it is going to state B. State B assignment is what? It is 0, 1. That is 0, 1 and output is 0. When it is in state B, that is 0, 1 and input is 0, next state is again state A. Just see, B is, if input is 0, it is state A and output is 0. Then at state B, that is 0, 1, when input is 1, output is state C, that is 1, 0. Sorry, next state is 1, 0 and output is 0. Okay. At state C, that is 1, 0, when input is 0, next state is 1, 1, that is state D, and output is 0. At state C, 1, 0, when input is 1, next state is 1, 0, and output is 0. At 1, 1, that is state D, when input is 0, next state is 0, 0, and output is 1. Here only detection completed. When it is at state D, input is 1, next state is 0, 1, that is B, okay, and output is 1 because here detection completes. In this state D, output will be 1. So this way we can fill this entries. And what is the meaning of this J A K A J B K B J A K A? What is it? It is nothing but you only need to focus this present state and next state. Okay. So for flip-flop B, if present state is 0 and next state is 0, just see JK flip-flop. Present state is 0, next state is 0. So this is 0x means 0 and don't care condition. If it is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Like that, you need to fill all this entry respectively for flip-flop B and A. Are you getting me? Students, how to fill this entry? You understand? Any doubt, any confusion here?
No.
Okay. So likewise, since you have developed the state synthesis table, so by using this present state and present input, you can find the value of next state and output with the help of K-map. No, next state, no need to find out. You can find the value of output and this JB, KB flip-flop. Okay. So wherever one is there in this output and all this entry, you need to fill in or the means dimension of the K-map will be 3. Okay. X, B, A. Like that. Similarly, you can go for the Mealy model. In the Mealy model, the state assignment we have given only 3 for 3 state A, B, and C. And accordingly, we got the values. We have taken state A, that is 0, 0, state B 0, 1, and state C 1, 0. 1, 1 is skipped. Accordingly, we have filled the entries by using the same rule. Okay. Now, Next, we need to find the design equation for Moore model for JB, JA, KB, KA and Y. So here this X and BN, AN is nothing but this X and X is the input and BN, AN is the present state. So wherever 1 is there in table, you need to fill 1. Wherever 0 is there, you need to fill 0. And wherever don't care conditions are there, you will fill don't care condition. And how to solve this K-map, I think it is not required to tell you. Okay. So once you will form this, you can go for this circuit design equation by using Moore model. So this design equation is based on this circuit design equation only. Now then you can go for the model development. Two flip-flop has been taken here. This JK flip-flop for A and B. And whatever values you have got, that only you are putting with the help of different gates, except this clock value separately you have given. And rest of the things are totally depends on this design equation. Any doubts, any confusion till here, students? Any one of you having any
No.
doubt, confusion? No? Okay, thank you. Now, next we have to go for the Mealy model. In the same way you have to do, and here also you need to draw the circuit. Mealy models. Okay. So in this way you can form. So this is all about yesterday's problem. Okay. In exam also, there's at least 1 mark, 1 question of 10 marks you will have. So how many steps you need to follow? You have to go for the state transition diagram. Then you have to go for the assignment, then state synthesis table, then circuit equation, and the last one you need to develop a model. Be careful whatever is there in the question, if it is asked Moore model or Mealy model. So you should be very particular. But it is not compulsory to use the JK flip-flop in numerical problem if it is properly mentioned to use T flip-flop or D flip-flop. So you have to be very careful for that. Okay. So it may be anyone. Fine. Yeah. Now, if you want to ask anything, you can ask me. Because your cat